As the weather changes, homeowners in Cayce are looking for ways to enhance their home's energy efficiency while keeping energy bills manageable. One of the most impactful steps to achieving this goal is upgrading your windows. Proper window installation can significantly improve your home's insulation, reduce heat loss, and help regulate indoor temperatures year-round. Here's a guide on how you can improve energy efficiency with window installation in Cayce, and why it's an investment worth considering. Understanding the importance of energy-efficient windows. Windows are essential for natural light and ventilation, but they can also be a source of heat loss or gain. In a climate like Cayce's, where summers can be hot and humid, and winters tend to be chilly, it's crucial to have windows that prevent energy waste. Traditional single-pane windows, common in older homes, allow air to leak in and out, making it harder to maintain a consistent temperature inside. This can lead to increased reliance on heating and cooling systems, driving up energy costs. Energy-efficient windows, however, feature advanced technologies that reduce the amount of heat transfer between the interior and exterior of your home. This means they keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, minimizing the need for air conditioning and heating. By installing energy-efficient windows, you're not only enhancing comfort, but you're also making a positive impact on your monthly utility bills. Types of energy-efficient windows. When considering window installation in Cayce, it's important to know what types of energy-efficient windows are available. These options vary based on materials, features, and design. Here are the most common types to consider. Double or triple pane windows. These windows have 2 or 3 panes of glass, which are separated by an insulating gas like argon or krypton. The gas helps slow down heat transfer, and the extra layers provide added insulation. These windows are excellent for reducing energy consumption, especially in extreme weather conditions. Low-E glass windows. Low emissivity, low-E glass is designed to reflect heat, whether it's the sun's rays in the summer or indoor heat in the winter. The glass has a thin metallic coating that blocks infrared light without affecting the amount of natural light that enters the home. This can greatly reduce the need for air conditioning during hot months and decrease heating costs during colder months. Energy Star windows. Look for windows that are Energy Star certified. These windows meet strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. They are designed to reduce energy costs, improve comfort, and help protect the environment by using less energy. Vinyl and fiberglass frames. While the type of glass is essential, the window frame material also plays a role in energy efficiency. Vinyl and fiberglass frames are excellent choices because they provide better insulation than traditional wooden frames, reducing heat transfer through the frame. Professional installation matters. Even the most energy-efficient windows won't perform optimally if they're not installed correctly. Proper installation is key to ensuring that your new windows provide maximum benefits. Poor installation can lead to gaps, air leaks, and poor sealing, which can negate the advantages of energy-efficient windows. Hiring a professional window installation team in Cayce ensures that your windows are sealed tightly and properly fitted to prevent air infiltration. Experts in the area will also be familiar with the local climate conditions, ensuring your windows are tailored to handle the specific weather patterns of the region. Additional benefits of window installation in Cayce. Aside from improving energy efficiency, upgrading your windows can offer a range of additional benefits. Increased home value. New, energy-efficient windows can boost your home's value. Potential buyers are often attracted to homes that offer lower utility costs and improved comfort. Enhanced comfort. No more drafts or cold spots near the windows. Energy-efficient windows maintain a consistent indoor temperature, which improves overall comfort in your home. Noise reduction. Double or triple pane windows help to reduce external noise, making your home quieter and more peaceful. UV protection. Low-E glass windows can block harmful UV rays, which helps protect your furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading due to prolonged exposure to sunlight. Conclusion. For homeowners in Cayce, improving energy efficiency through window installation is a smart decision that pays off in both comfort and savings. By choosing the right type of windows and ensuring professional installation, you can create a more energy-efficient home, reduce your carbon footprint, and lower your utility bills. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, investing in energy-efficient windows is a long-term solution that enhances your home's value and livability. So, take the step today to enjoy a more comfortable, energy-efficient home all year round.